Hey everyone, this is Ryce DG and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you some products that I ordered from Lazada and Shopee during the 10-day sale. Right? So, just a reminder guys, hindi porket may sale, even if you don't need it, you will buy it. Okay? So, before ng 10-10 sale, you have to plan ahead, okay, what you need. Okay, so let's say household electronic or appliances, yung mga ganun ba. On that day na sale, even if you see a very cheap, appliances that even you don't need, you don't have to buy it, alright? Okay, so I'm going to start with makeup. Of course, hindi yan mawawala. So I just bought two makeup that I need. Almost complete naman na yung aking makeup and some are already used and konti na lang, so I need to replace it. And of course, alam nyo naman ako, mahilig talaga ako sa lipstick, so I bought just one lipstick that I think I will need it, especially filming. Okay, so I ordered from Vice Cosmetics. Okay, kasi gusto ko yung mga nila guys. I really like their product. I really love the lipsticks. I'm going to try their Aura Contour. Okay, so I bought one lipstick in the shade Bongalicious. Alright, this is the Bongalicious and I ordered Aura Contour. For sure. So this is the one. This is the contour and the Vice lipstick. Alright, so yes, buksan natin guys. Okay, so ito muna unahin natin. I just used a lip tint today because I'm going to make patong this one. Right? So I'm going to use this one. Let's watch it. So, it's a bright pink, guys. It's a bright pink. So, wala pa ako ganito ka-bright na pink. So, let's see. Right? So, eto na siya. Oh my gosh. Bright pink? Bakit parang reddish? Okay. So, give me a second. Wala akong dalang dito. Wala akong dalang mirror. Alright? So, I'll just get the mirror in a sec. So, okay, I got here a mirror. But first, let's watch it on our hand, or on our wrist. So, let's see. Okay, did you see that? Okay, so I think this is the one that I used, the small one before. Let's see. So try natin guys. Ito yata yung so bright, diba? Gusto ko siya, nakaka-bright siya ng mukha. Okay, I like the shade so much. And of course, ito kasi it's a bronzer, so okay, so buksan na rin natin and let's see kung okay siya. But I already used contour on my face. So, eto siya. Ang cute. Meron siyang mga stars. Okay. So, I usually buy Vice Cosmetics but only lipstick. So, it's my first time to buy this one. Oh, by the way, guys, I bought this from Shopee. The second one that I bought was a pressure cooker from Lazada. And yes, I received it with damage. And it's the other handle was broken. I received it that way. It was a stainless steel pressure cooker. It was really nice. It was really beautiful. But the downside is the other handle is broken. So I filed a request, right? A refund request, and to return the pressure cooker. And you know what? After a day or two, the seller rejected my request. She sent pictures to Lazada before shipping the pressure cooker. So he was able to take a picture on how he do the packaging inside and outside. When I saw that, I told Lazada I filed a dispute. Alright, I filed a dispute because if the seller shipped it without any damages and I receive the pressure cooker with a broken handle, who's gonna pay? I am not at fault, and the seller is not at fault. And after a few days, Lazada refunded the money to me, and the pressure cooker is mine now with that broken handle. One thing I like ordering in Lazada is because even if the seller rejected the return and you have a valid reason, they will to return the money to you. So that is our second purchase from Lazada. And the third one I ordered from Shopee. So this was insisted by my daughter because she would like to eat food without oil. Yes, I already unboxed it when it came, and yes, here is the video.
Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. You take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Oh, baby, you were always on my mind. I've been thinking that we should be together. Oh, baby, you were always. Oh, baby, you were always. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. You take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. take it or leave it.
Okay, the fries was delicious and it's not oily, not the usual fries that we are buying outside, like going to the fast food. And yes, I am happy with what I bought, especially the air fryer and of course the lipstick and the contour from Vice Cosmetics. Okay, before I end, I would like to leave a word with you. Buy the things you need and not what you want. I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye!